Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. I'll show you the two ways to find out which graphics card do you have on your laptop. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my laptop. Now let's go with the first way. First of all, go to Start and search for Task Manager. And over here on the top, you'll find this Task Manager. Click on this and your Task Manager will be opened. Now go to Performance. Over here on the bottom, you'll find this GPU1. That means this is our graphics card. Click on this and over here on the top, you'll find this name. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050. This is my graphics card of my laptop. In the similar way, you can find on yours. Also, I'll show the next way. For second method, go on Taskbar and search for Device Manager and click on this Device Manager. After that, over here you'll find this display adapter. Click on this drop down of display adapter and you can find the graphics card over here. I have two graphics cards of Intel and NVIDIA. In Intel here is HD Graphics 630 and of NVIDIA here is GTX 1050. So in this way we can find the graphics card of our laptop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.